For removal and mounting, please see the video for mounting of roll cover. Adjust length of a wooden stick and mount it between the canister lid and the rear profile. Remove 4 small screws on the bottom side. Lift locking handle up and place it on piece of cloth. Locking activator is lifted out along with it. Remove cables from latches. Replace handles and lock activator. Mount cables. Mount lock activator. Check that cables are placed correctly. Prepare mounting in rear profile. Check that cables are placed correctly. Insert small screwdriver through bearing bore hole from below to guide the lock activator into the bearing bore. Mount lock housing in its place. Check that pivots is completely in place in the bearing bore. Hold handle in place and check the function of the pull strap. Mount 4 screws. Torque 1.15 Nm. Check function of locking button, key function, and activator and pull strap. We appreciate that you have chosen a Mountain Top product. Please feel free to contact MTI for further information.